Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll provide an update of price analysis of BONK. I'll use also TradingView like I did last time. I'll put a link into the description down below my previous video about BONK. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 23rd June 2024 and right now BONK it is at about, and hold on, 0.00002018 US dollars. The market cap it is around 1.37 billion US dollars, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is 114.11 million dollars. It has an impressive market cap, but since last time you can see very clearly here, if you watch my previous video, that it is a downfall in also the market cap and also in the volume in the last 24 hours. Last time the volume in the last 24 hours, if I recall correctly, it was on a 17 position. Right now it is on a 40 position. So what happened since 2 months ago when I made the previous video? We had an unlock of BONK tokens. Back then we had a circulating supply that was around 65 trillion BONK tokens, 65 and a little, and right now we have 68.06 trillion BONK tokens. So it is basically an unlock of almost 3 trillion BONK tokens. If we make a simple calculation, we can see that the percentage it is not so high reporting to the circulating supply of BONK tokens. It is somewhere around 4.6%, but this is basically an inflation of BONK tokens, and this is from my point of view one of the causes that BONK it is right now in a correction. It is not so big, I repeat, but this is just one of the causes. Okay, so let's go to TradingView and see what's going on there. And as you can see here, we have BONK paired with Tether. The chart it is set at 1 day time frame, and the chart it is from Coinex. And since last time we have an increase of let's measure from this lower point to the top, about 249% in 46 days. That is very impressive. And we are now on a correction. Let's measure from this top to the actual price, about minus 54% in 26 days. And if we take into consideration the previous corrections, the previous one was minus 73%, and the other one from December till January this year, minus 72%. The big question on everybody's lips, it is this correction, it is over or not. I believe if this correction will continue, it will be somewhere around 70%, to be conservative, 70-75%, that number, if we take into the consideration the previous two corrections. But it is not necessary to happen like the previous two. So this is just an estimation based on history, remember that. And let's look on the 20 and 200 daily simple moving averages, and right now the candles are below the 20 daily SMA, and as you can see very clearly here, the price it is testing the 200 daily simple moving average. They are at about the same level, not quite, but it is slowly below the 200 daily simple moving average. You can see very clearly here. And I think it is important to look on also on the other time frame to estimate how much the price will reach, and I'll show you back there what it is my personal theory. But it is important to notice that the price it is slightly below the 200 daily simple moving average. This is an important indicator. The price stood above the 200 daily SMA since October 2023, and right now it is testing it. You can see very clearly here. Okay, and that's the situation on daily with those two. Let's look on a stochastic RSI and RSI. And as you can see very clearly here, stochastic RSI is bearish, is oversold, and RSI also trend, it is bearish, it is in downtrend. Let's look on weekly and see what's going on here. And as you can see, stochastic RSI is bearish also, and RSI, it is also bearish, downtrend. So all those indicators, stochastic RSI, RSI on a daily and weekly time frame, they are clearly bearish. Let's look on the 20 weekly simple moving average. I personally consider this indicator an important one that tells us if the price momentum is bullish or bearish. Clearly, you can see that this weekly candle, it is right now below the 20 weekly simple moving average. So right now the price momentum clearly is bearish. I think it is important to came back above the 20 SMA on weekly to keep the market structure bullish. That's my personal opinion. And let's look also on a 50 weekly simple moving average and see what's the current situation. And what I told you on a daily, it is that I estimate here the price drop from this top to 50 weekly simple moving average. It will be a drop around 72%. So it is similar to the previous two correction that was here. So I think it is important to have an eye on a 50 weekly simple moving average if the price will continue to drop. This is not a financial advice, this is just my personal analysis. If you have a different opinion, different approach, you can leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me with arguments what are you thinking. Okay, and that's the whole situation here. I think it is important also to tell you that I noticed something interesting. This last month on May we had a lower high than we had on March, and we can draw a triangle over here to estimate also some price movement in the next weeks or next couple of months. And I'll put this triangle over here, something like this. And if the price will pump from the actual level to this top of this triangle, it will be an increase somewhere around 100%, 104%. Let's be conservative, somewhere near 100%. And that's my current estimation. Remember guys that it is not a financial advice. Okay, and I think this is the whole situation about BONK. As you saw in my previous video, I hold my opinions about this. It had huge pumps in a short period of times, so registered massive gains in the past. That's the reality. You can check by yourself. And you can see on my previous video also that I took some measurements. You can take it by yourself using TradingView and see what's going on. Okay, and let's look also on Bitcoin today, 23rd June 2024. Right now Bitcoin it is at 64k. About this, it is still below 50 daily simple moving average. Why I consider 50 daily simple moving average an important indicator in this case? Because if you look on the chart on the end of 2020 and in the first part of 2021, the first half to be more precise, the price or the candle stood above the 50 daily simple moving average. So right now we are slightly below this level. It is not such a big deal. It is not such a big fall. An increase to this level to the 50 daily SMA, it will be something around 4%. Okay, and let's look also on Bitcoin dominance. Right now it is at 55.43%. It is in a continuum increase since November 2022. Market cap Bitcoin dominance, it is in a bullish momentum. That's why most altcoins have to suffer right now. This is another cause for BONK being right now in a correction. If you look also on total 3 market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can also exclude USDT, you can see that the candles are in a correction. So Bitcoin right now attracts most capital in the market. That's the reality. If you have different opinion, different suggestions, different analysis, you can leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me with arguments what are you thinking. And thank you once again for joining me here to my channel. It helps me and encourages me to do more videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and till next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.